If you are a working professional and looking for a university which is completely management focused, industry aligned, and amongst the top B school, then Narsi Monji is your perfect fit. And in today's video, we will be talking all about NMI MS Online, which offers you online MBA, executive MBA, and few bachelor's degree. Narsi Monji online program are tailor-made for working professionals who are trying to excel in their career, looking for a growth, and wants to do an online degree program with their job. So before moving forward, if you face any difficulty related to online education program, online universities or courses, you can always connect with me with the link given below in the description box, or you can also connect with me through WhatsApp, or you can visit sekhobharat.com जहां आपको information मिलेगी वहीं जो होगी 100% सही. So in this video we will discuss what are the special services Narsi Monji is offering you in online education program, what are the courses, what is their fee structure, whether the university is offering you career services or not, and what all is there in career services, and what about the alumni connect, and also most importantly what student has to say about Narsi Monji online. So like I said, NMI MS Online is amongst the top B school and has NAC A++ accreditation. It offers courses like BBA and BCom, online MBA and executive MBA. All the courses for young professionals and working professionals. It also offers certification and diploma programs. The university is offering cutting-edge LMS with faculties from IIT and IIMs, and it is also giving you the Alumni Connect, where you see CEO and CXOs that are the alumni of NMI MS Online. So if we talk about the fee structure of its program, if we talk about online MBA, then the fee structure is 2,10,000, whereas the fee structure for executive MBA is 4 lakh rupees. Apart from this, there will be external charges as well, the application fees, the registration fees, and the admission fees, examination fees, and also there will be career services fees as well. For special cases, there will be scholarship, and it is also offering you EMI facility. To study in this university, you need at least 50 to 55 percentile for online MBA and executive MBA program. So the best part of this university is that it offers you career services, in which there will be a lot of facilities like access to job portal, interviews, mock interview sessions, profile development, and coaching for career change. So the university helps you whether you need a job, a career change, or a promotion. It gives you access to job portals like IN Jobs, Updesk, and HighRisk with live job updates. Apart from this, there will be profile development, where they will help you in CV and social media profiling like LinkedIn profile. There will be career development modules and CV development. Now let's talk about the students' honest review about this university. So the university definitely has big name and a good degree, but it charges you for each and everything. Like there are different charges for examination, assignments, re-examination, registration, and every other thing, even the career services. So the best part of this university is that it offers you career services, in which there will be a lot of facilities like access to job portal, interviews, mock interview sessions, profile development, and coaching for career change. So the university helps you whether you need a job, a career change, or a promotion. In this university, the 75% attendance is mandatory. You'll have to attend 75% attendance. That means you'll have to attend the live lectures of this university through LMS. So this is all about this university. Do let me know if you want to know more about this university, the admission procedure, or if you have any other question, do let me know in the comment section below. And also, if you face any difficulty in selecting the right university, then you can always connect with me through WhatsApp or the link given below in the description box.